Hi, welcome to SolidWorks 2023 video tutorial. Another of those basic exercises, a simple joint. Let's take a look at the drawing. Here it is, and you could make a screenshot, of course, but I think it's a very simple exercise, so you might not need it. But let's have fun with SolidWorks. Let's start with a sketch on the front plane. I need a rectangle, and this should be 56 by 118. Let's make it symmetric by using the origin and the midpoint of this line here. Make it coincident. Finish that sketch. Now let's make an extrude. Make it mid-plane so it's symmetric and make it 60 millimeter. Confirm. Now let's go for a fillet. I want to have a full round fillet. That's the first phase, that's the second phase, and that's the third phase. Confirm. Go for another one. First phase, second one, and third one. Confirm. Now another sketch on the right plane. A circle. Diameter should be 60. The distance between this point and the origin should be 30. And this point and that point here, this point and that point here should be aligned vertical. Finish that sketch. Make another extruded boss base. Make it again mid-plane. Make it again 60 millimeter. Merge the result and confirm. Now let's go for a hole. That one, and diameter should be 30. Go for position, select the surface, go to the edge, snap onto the center here, confirm. Go again for the whole wizard. Now the diameter should be 32. Go to this face and go to the edge and then snap onto positions, select the face, go to the circular edge and then snap here onto that center point, confirm, and I'm done. So hope this was helpful, hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Facebook, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.